Hey guys, I'm Audrey from Audrey's Little Farm. You know that saying, do as I say, not as I do? Well, unfortunately today that's me. This is my coop after about 4 months. Pretty dirty, and I'm pretty ashamed, but I feel like I have a bit of an excuse. I got married last month, and so I was super busy with wedding planning, but normally I'm on top of it. But today I want to show you how even after a long time of no cleaning, like this, you can quickly get it back to looking good again. The first thing I want to point out is how I have this poop guard. I guess there's probably a better word for it, but that's what I call it. And it's just a piece of metal that I put underneath the roof so then the poop doesn't get backed up in the corner. And you can see, however, on this side I don't have one yet, and so the poop just builds up in the corners. But anyways, for a quick clean, it's really nice to have something like this because then the poop just gets stuck on it. I can easily scrape it down onto the floor and sweep it out, and it doesn't get clogged up in the corners. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to that. I'm going to scrape off all that chicken poop. I'm going to walk around on all the roofs. I'm going to scrape off all that poop and just get everything onto the ground. And now once everything's on the ground, I'm going to remove this board. This is another little handy feature we added to my chicken coop. I have little metal plates on both sides, and it holds this board in place, so then it holds all the bedding in the chicken coop, but it doesn't all fall out. So then when I'm ready to clean, I remove that board. You can see I have cement as my chicken coop floor. Then I can just easily sweep everything out, or I can take a shovel in there and scoop it all up. The next thing I'm going to do is just use a big shovel like this. I'm going to start scooping all the bedding out of the chicken coop, and I'm just going to put it in the back of our gator. You can use a wheelbarrow, a tractor, whatever you have available. Now I've scooped out all of the bedding. Now I'm going to leaf blow it out. I'm going to get all the dirt off the walls, the cobwebs, and all the little pieces of shavings that get caught up in the corners. Okay, now that I've blown out the chicken coop, I'm going to use the water hose. I'm going to spray the dirt off the boxes, the walls, and the door, and then a little bit off the floor. Now that I have everything sprayed down, I'm going to refill the nesting boxes with some shavings. Then I'm going to sprinkle in some diatomaceous earth, which keeps the bugs away. And then I'm going to add 2 new bags of shavings to the floor. Alrighty, so now after months of no cleaning, in less than an hour you can have a clean coop. And once you do it, your hens will be as happy as you are.